Hey beauties! Today we're back with part 2 of our old money style series. You all loved the first video, so we're bringing you another elegant and timeless outfit. The old money style is all about sophistication and effortless class. Ready? Let's get started. We're starting with classic white trousers. These pants are a staple of elegance and refinement. They're simple yet sophisticated, giving you that polished look perfect for any occasion. Next, we're pairing the white trousers with a sleek black blazer. The black and white combination is timeless and creates a balanced, chic look. To finish off the blazer, we're adding a black belt with a gold buckle to highlight the waist and add a touch of luxury. Now for the shoes. We're going with classic black stilettos, the perfect choice to elevate this outfit. They add height and sophistication while keeping the look clean and powerful. Lastly, we're completing the look with a small black handbag. A simple, elegant bag is the perfect accessory for this outfit, as old money style is all about understated luxury. It ties everything together effortlessly. And there you have it. Our elegant, timeless old money outfit is complete. This style is perfect for anyone looking to achieve a classy and refined look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.